Thutha wa gukorwo ari nja wa bururi kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe riria riambiriirie bururi-ini wa Ngeretha igongona ria mathiko ma Queen Elizabeth II, thutha ucio akierekera bururi-ini wa Amerika niguo kunyita itemi kigomano-ini kia urumwe wa mabururi. Riu President William Ruto ni ahundukite na mucii. Mutongoria wa bururi akinyire bururi-ini mathaa-ini ma thinashara cia rucini. Mucemanio wake wa mbere ari igongona ria gucokia ngatho thingira-ini wa iregi riria rigwikinyitio ni atongoria a ndini. President Ruto ni atariirie wendi wake wa kuhingia ciraniro iria koretwo akirira muingi ari ni hamwe na kwarahura utonga wa bururi, akiuria atongoria a ndini mamuhoere niguo ahote kuhingia kiraniro giake.
There's a new dawn in our country. We moved down this country. I thank our spiritual fathers who are here.
Anointed men and women of God, thank you very much. But as much as you have prayed for us, you have also work to do. You must continue praying. Please remember to pray for our economy. I said, please remember to pray for our economy. Part of the reason why we have borrowed heavily from others is because we haven't been prudent in savings for our own nation. We cannot continue to borrow from the savings of others.
Hau kabere Ruto ndakoretwo agitigithia gukirira mathiri maria bururi uri namo, umuthi agitatirithia bururi kwigira muthitho noyo njira ya kuruta mutondo-ini wa mathiri maria uri namo.
If we must borrow, let us borrow from our own savings so that we can pay interest to our own savers and we can build our country using our own savings. I am very clear, I am very keen, and I'm sure we'll be working with our members of parliament and members of Senate and National Assembly so that we can provide the framework for Kenya to save, so that we can become good men and women and leave an inheritance for our children.
Maigi ma mabururi maria marigainie ni matugiririe bururi wa Kenya thutha wa gutabania githurano na njira ya thayu mweri muhituku. Mutongoria wa bururi akihinyiriria muingi uhoere thayu wa bururi.
From Somalia to Ethiopia to DRC to South Sudan and the whole of this region, the world is looking at us as an anchor state to provide solutions for the challenges of peace we have in our nation.
Handu-ini hake munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ni ugite ni megutia wiathi wa ikundi cia ndini amwe na wiguano uria mekiranire na atongoria a ndini mbere ya githurano.
Whose hands is the church safe? I want to confirm to you today that in the hands of President William Ruto, the church is very safe. I'll continuously remind him of our MOU with him on the church issues.
Wiguano gatagati ka President Ruto na atongoria a ndini wekiranirwo mweri wa gatano. Umwe wa ciraniro iria ciari wiguano-ini uyu ari guthondekwo kwa ministry area ikurumbuia mabataro ma ndini guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mumbi wa Shege.